Let me ask you a few questions. Can you touch happiness? Can you see love? Can you smell bravery? Of course not. These are things we can't see, touch, smell, or taste, but we can feel or think about them. These are called abstract nouns. An abstract noun is a type of noun that refers to ideas, qualities, emotions, or states. And these ideas, qualities, emotions, or states cannot be seen or touched, but only felt or thought of. So in these three examples, can you touch happiness? No, of course not. Love cannot be seen, and bravery can never be smelt. The reason behind all of these are that these are the ideas or thoughts, or these are the traits, or these are the states, or these are the emotions which can never be perceived through five physical senses. So we call them abstract nouns. So these can only be thought of, or these can only be felt. Now let's look at these two columns. The left one is concrete noun and the right one is of abstract noun. Book is a concrete noun because it can be perceived through a few of the physical senses, but the knowledge it contains that can never be perceived through five physical senses. So that's why this knowledge is abstract in nature. Soldier is a concrete noun. It can be perceived through a few of the or all of the physical senses, but the quality bravery over here that is possessed by this person, soldier, that bravery is an abstract in nature. It can only be felt, it can only be thought of. Music can be perceived through five physical senses, but joy that we get out of that music can never be perceived by these five physical senses. So this is abstract in nature. Food is that can also be perceived through five physical senses, but the hunger that is quenched by this food that can never be perceived by five physical senses, and this is an abstract noun. And we know the love of mother. Mother is something that is concrete in nature, but love is something that is abstract, that can only be felt, that can only be thought of, but it does not have any existence. So all these words, knowledge, bravery, joy, hunger and love, etc., these are actually the words that represent abstractions. They don't have any physical existence. They can never be touched, they can never be smelled, they can never be tasted, or they can never be seen, and we have never ever heard them talking. But one thing is for sure, that they are the feelings, they are the emotions, they are the ideas and thoughts, or they are the states which can be felt of, which can be thought of. Now let's have a look at few of the sentences in which these abstract nouns are used. Honesty is the best policy. Over here in this sentence, honesty is the word that is an abstract noun. She was filled with joy when she saw her results. So she was filled with joy. This word joy is actually the feelings of happiness. So that is actually an abstract noun. She was filled with joy when she saw her results. His bravery saved many lives during the flood. Bravery is, in this sentence, bravery is abstract noun. Freedom is essential for every human being. So over here, the word freedom is a noun that is abstract. It doesn't have any physical shape. Dear friendship has lasted for 10 years. Friendship is actually the abstract noun in this sentence. His intelligence impressed the whole class. Over here, the word intelligence is the abstract noun that can never be perceived through five physical senses. We should always show kindness to others. So this word is kindness, and this is abstract in nature, and this is an abstract noun. Her anger scared everyone in the room. Over here, the word anger is a noun that is abstract in nature. Success requires hard work and dedication. So over here, the word success is the abstract noun. I was moved by the beauty of her speech. So over here, in this sentence, the word beauty is the abstract noun. So to conclude, we may say that abstract nouns help us express what we feel, think, or believe. They are powerful words used to describe our emotions, qualities, and concepts.